Get the in the car, I'm telling you, bud. Get in that car.
35.
Pull the over and I'll knock you right on your ass.
Não, para com isso, irmão. Para com isso. Para aqui pra mim. Para com isso, porra. Não.
As you saw from the preview, a lot of crazy encounters await us in this episode, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy this one. Biker was just minding his own business when all of a sudden this crazy situation transpired right before him. Two guys started to argue and it turned ugly real quick. Check it out.
Oh! Calma, irmão, não é assim não.
O que você quer?
Não, para com isso, irmão, para com isso. Para aqui pra mim, para com isso, porra. Não, 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 não é assim não, não é assim não. Não é assim não, olha pra mim, olha aqui, olha pra mim, olha pra mim. Para com isso, beleza? Calma, calma, o bagulho vai ser desembolado na real, pera aí. Calma, na moral, você calma. Fica de boa.
Biker reacted really heroic and a bit dangerous if you ask me. Tensions were really high between the two and the biker could have easily been caught up in it. Luckily it didn't happen and he managed to calm everyone down. This is what can happen when drivers don't like to obey low speed limit areas. Speed limit is speed limit and you have to adapt. Unfortunately, this guy didn't want to.
You got a problem?
Yeah, I do, it's 45.
Pull the over and I'll knock you right on your ass.
Lady pulled out in front of the biker without even looking, and the biker had to go completely off-road to avoid crashing. But it didn't end there. Check out what happened next.
Hello.
I'm sorry that when I heard that, I saw a horse.
You have to listen. I know you don't normally, most people don't. And that is an extra bad spot. But I almost went off-road. Actually, I did go off-road to avoid you. Please be careful. I have no protection on this whatsoever. So I'm trying not to, I'm pretty aggravated, but I'm trying not to be. So please be careful.
This has got to be one of the best possible ways to fight back. A lady that was in front of the biker threw a cigarette out her window, and instead of going all crazy, this biker simply handed it back to her.
Steering wheel with a cigarette in the other. I've gone to the right side of her so I don't have to smell the cigarettes. I believe this is yours. I just handed her back her cigarette that she threw out the window. She just looked startled and took it back. I've never really had an opportunity to do that, but I'm sorry, but I'm not okay with people just throwing their cigarettes out the window. It's disgusting.
I don't know if this is a private property or not, but the angry guy sure didn't want the biker to be there. Check out this crazy encounter. Filtering is illegal in this area, but things got from bad to worse when a driver decided to act as a police officer and bring about his own justice. Watch.
Go nowhere. Yo! Hey, asshole! It's safer, listen bud, listen, it's safer for me to be here than back there. I got hit in the rear before.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Get the in the car, I'm telling you, bud. Get in that car. Get in that car. You want to fight? You want to fight? Pull over. We'll fight.
Oh boy, this is what it looks like when things go from bad to worse. Way worse.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go, big dog. You want to fight me? Come on, get the fuck out. Let's go. Let's go. You a badass or what?
All I'm telling you is lane splitting.
No, it's not. It's legal here, but it's safer for me to be in the middle of the f***ing lane than it is to get hit from the back. That red light, dude. Nobody's there. Who cares? I'm on a motorcycle, bro. Chill out. First of all, chill out, bro. It's not a f***ing big deal. Was I hurting anyone? Did I make anyone slam on the brakes? Who? Who was around? It'll be on YouTube. This whole thing. Your dumb ass gonna be on YouTube. You're an idiot. So because I did that, you thought it was okay to open your door while I'm on a bike? What if you would have hit me? Your day up. Come on out. What, you think that's what are you gonna do? Pull a knife? You pull a weapon? I got a better one. You want to do a gunfight? What's that?
You're not supposed to even do that while you're carrying.
I do whatever the f I want. It's a free country. Get the f out of here. Dumb. Well, that escalated quickly.
Biker was just riding outside and enjoying a nice scenery. At one point, he pulled over to take some cool pictures of his bike. The landscape was beautiful, but boy oh boy, did this ride made a turn for worse. Way worse. Stay tuned to see what happened.
Yellow and orange.
What are you doing?
What? I'm taking pictures of my bike. Can I help you?
I'm just letting you know this is private property. No trespassing here.
What'd you say?
This is private property.
It is?
R-I-V-A-T-E, private property.
Sorry. I was just taking pictures of my bike. Isn't it beautiful though?
People coming here and stealing apples from these
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
orchard, and it just really is really not okay. So if you've been doing that or you know anyone who's been hanging around here, you guys gotta go. There's been a lot of issues.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm not too happy about it.
Why, do you own this farm or something?
No, I'm just very involved in the community. This is a very prestigious community.
Well, I'm not really causing any problems here.
Well, there's been a few people who have. There was some guy, and I don't know what he was doing with the cows, but it was just disgusting. He was just a creep, and we found him in the cow barn, and there's just been a lot of people around that shouldn't be hanging out here.
I'm sorry, what?
Vile behavior is what we've been seeing.
With cows?
The cows.
Oh my god!
And yeah.
What are you talking? I'm just literally taking pictures of my bike. I just rode over here. I'm not doing anything bad.
Well, I think you need permission before you can just use other people's property.
Alright, that sounds fair enough. I'll give her that.
Alright, I'm just right off the road. Do you even live here?
I just drive by every day just to check things out and make sure it's okay.
What kind of person does that?
A good Samaritan.
Now that's a bit debatable. A good Samaritan is someone who sees a person in need and helps them on the spot. But to go around riding unnecessarily and checking for others, well, that's a bit strange.
Like I said, it's a prestigious community.
Prestigious community? Listen, lady, I'm just riding around. Like, I don't know why.
Because you ride something like that, you look like a hooligan.
Oh no, please no, don't tell me she pulled the biker's a hooligan card.
What's wrong with this?
That doesn't belong in a prestigious community.
Why? It's literally a perfect bike. What's wrong with it? I don't know. It's not even that loud. You want me to start it up?
No, I do not want you to start anything.
Well, I gotta get out of here, so I gotta start it up somehow.
Is that even street legal?
Yeah, it's street legal. I have a license plate.
At this point I realized that this lady is really a lost cause, and I commend the biker for having the patience to deal with her in the first place. He's handling her quite calmly and politely.
No, it seems like a really, really odd coincidence.
Listen, I've never been here before.
Come here.
What?
Come closer. Come here, dude.
Why?
Because I wanted to see your face. Hold on.
Why you put... Dude, what is your deal?
I just need a good...
No, you're not taking pictures of me.
Well, I think they should know who's hanging around here. Maybe they would recognize...
Who? What are you talking about?
Farmers.
What farmers, bro?
This is a farm.
This is a farm. And who are you? Are you a farmer?
It's a prestigious farm.
A prestigious farm. Are you a farmer? Who are you? Concerned citizen. Why don't you move on with your day?
Exactly what I'm saying. This is too strange for someone claiming to be a concerned citizen. Biker was simply minding his own business here.
I think I need to call the police.
Why are you calling the police? You're just making me upset. I'm sorry. No, I didn't mean to raise my tone, but like, geez, dude. Who, like...
Police aren't going to be happy to hear about this.
Listen, don't call the cop.
Are you going to get out of here?
Yeah, I'll get out of here.
You coming back here?
Yeah, I can come back here. This is a road.
See, that's why I need to call the cops. You shouldn't be hanging around here.
Well, I'm not hanging around. I'm just taking pictures of the foliage. Like, people come here all the time.
Why do people have to act like this? First of all, this is not even her property. Even she said it. Despite that, she had to come and waste the biker's time, as if she is the owner of this place, or the police. Just mind your own business, lady.
And we don't need...
Dude, it's not very prestigious. Like, that wooden sign, I could barely see it. It says slow hidden drive. And
We're working on fundraising to replace that.
fundraising? This barn is falling apart.
Well, maybe you'd like to make a donation.
Yeah, I'll donate. I'll donate to you. Like, I got plenty of cash to help your community out. Huh?
Cough it up. Cough up the cash and I'll leave you alone.
So this is what she was planning all along. It's all about the cash. I could have guessed that.
Here you go. I dropped it.
What was that, a penny?
A nickel. I didn't bring my cash with me.
Should we meet up later? Do you want to make a donation later?
Oh, now this is what I call a sudden turn in the conversation. It looks like she's got a crush on the biker. That would somewhat explain her behavior, even though it was still odd to say the least.
Farm.
Chester's farm.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And where's Chester?
That's the farmer.
That's the farmer?
Yes.
Is he the one doing things with the cows?
No.
Are you sure about that?
You think it's funny that these cows are being violated?
What do you mean? I really don't know what you mean by that. Like,
Use your imagination.
Please don't use your imagination on this one.
Activist, I am a member of this prestigious community and I'm concerned about what I'm seeing.
Don't get upset at me for saying this, lady, but I just think you have way too much free time on your hands and you don't know how to fully utilize and enjoy it. Go out, live a little. You'll see, it'll do you good.
You're taking whatever photos these are because look, this beautiful landscape wasn't free. Freedom isn't free.
it's live free or die around here. So I'm gonna live free or die.
Well, it sounds like you're going closer to dying, my friend.
Alright, whatever that means. I think I'm gonna get out of here now.
Yeah, and I would recommend not coming back until you've made a donation.
Okay. Whatever you say.
I don't want to see you and your hoodlum friends around here anymore.
I don't have any friends around here.
Yeah, I think your friends...
Well, what do you guys think about this crazy encounter? Have you ever been in a situation similar to this one? And if yes, I'm really curious to hear your opinion down in the comments below. Van Drava cut right in front of the biker without even checking his mirrors. He didn't even indicate. Make sure to never be this type of driver. Everyone's life is precious and it's up to us to be more considerate and careful in traffic.
Ты поворотник включай, когда перестраиваешься, козел. Понял? Поворотник включай перед перестроением. Ты потом включил, сначала перестроился, потом включил, меня подрезал, мудила.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this one together with us, and perhaps learned something out of these mistakes. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you really support this channel. It helps a lot, and it encourages us to keep making these videos for you. Until the next one, ride safe and take care.